Welcome to Budapest, Hungary.
If you're planning your first trip here, get ready for an unforgettable experience. As you wander through the charming streets of this vibrant city, you'll be greeted by a mix of history, culture, and stunning architecture. One of the must-see attractions in Budapest is the iconic chain bridge, connecting the Buda and Pest sides of the city. Take a leisurely stroll across this bridge to soak in breathtaking views of the Danube River and the majestic Parliament Building. For a taste of Hungarian culture, head to the Great Market Hall. Here, you can sample local delicacies like goulash and langos, a deep-fried flatbread topped with various savory toppings. Don't forget to pick up some paprika, a staple spice in Hungarian cuisine, to bring a piece of Budapest back home with you. If you're a history buff, a visit to Buda Castle is a must. Explore the medieval castle complex and enjoy panoramic views of the city from Fisherman's Bastion. Immerse yourself in the rich history of Hungary as you wander through the castle's courtyards and museums. To unwind after a day of sightseeing, relax in one of Budapest's famous thermal baths. The city is known for its thermal springs, and a visit to one of the baths, like Széchenyi or Gellert, is the perfect way to rejuvenate both body and mind. As the sun sets, experience the magic of Budapest illuminated by lights. Take a sunset cruise along the Danube River to see the city's landmarks sparkle against the night sky. Or head to a rooftop bar for a cocktail with a view of the city's stunning skyline. Budapest is a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, offering something for every type of traveler. So pack your bags, prepare for an adventure, and get ready to fall in love with the charm and beauty of Budapest, Hungary.